Okay, so we'll show this small SUMIF formula that how we can add this number. Suppose if we have a condition like greater than 50 or less than 50. Okay, here simply what we did, we just added from the first to the last. But if some condition will be given, like we have to add greater than 50 or less than 50, then how we will add? Then just simply the same thing what we did, sum, but with a condition if. Okay, so apply this sum if function. Now start bracket, give the range from the starting to till last what you have to add. Then what we have to do, we have to give condition that add number only where it is greater than 50. So what we will do, we will do comma, then inverted comma, greater than 50, then again close inverted comma and close the bracket. So now this will give me the answer 100. Got it? Now, if you want to do uh, less than 50, so again sum if, okay, start the bracket. Now again, just from starting to the last, select what you have to add. Now again comma, and now my condition is changed. So I want to, what I want, less than 50. The first one, what we did, we added the greater than 50. So greater than 50, so 100. Now what we are going to do, less than 50. So it should be less than 50. Bracket will do the close the bracket, then simply enter. So here you go, 60. So this is the way that you can use this small formula sum if, where you want to add with some condition, whether less or more, like that. Now this is for like basic. This was the for basic, or the those who are the at least having the little bit of knowledge, they can use. Now some, those who having know these all things, that how they can apply this sum if. Now I can show you on this the same thing on the big data. So suppose this is the big data. Okay, now what I have to do, I want to add this all revenue, but not here just simply uh, not just simply just we have what we have added. Not what I want to do, I again some customer ID. Suppose this is the order ID, or this is my customer ID. Okay, I want what I want against this order ID, few against this order ID, what is the sum? Like just let me show you what I want to say. So this is the big data. Okay, now what I am doing, I am taking just this order ID. Or you can take this whole. I can show you the another thing also. Just for the new page, how you can get a new page. Suppose I am in this Excel sheet. Okay, I want the new sheet. Then how we will get this the new sheet? Just you put Control and N. A new sheet will open. Okay, now Control V. We have copied. Now we are doing Control V. Just let me increase the size. Okay, okay. Now here. So come. This is order ID. This is customer ID. Now this is the entire thing. Now I want to take the unique one. Means I want to remove the duplicate from this. How we will remove the duplicate from here? Because here there will be the repetition. Too many repetition will be there. Okay, so I want to delete. So how we can delete? So just select from order ID, customer ID to the entire data. Entire data, shift, press shift, then arrow button, down arrow button, then control, and then arrow button, down arrow button. You can see the entire will get selected. Now what to do? Just leave. Now go to the data. Okay. Now in data, you will see that remove duplicates. click on the remove duplicates. You will get how you want to delete the duplicate. Here are the two options. One is order ID, another one is customer ID. So do you want customer ID as a unique or the both? So let first what we are doing, we are taking the customer order ID. So just check it out. The customer ID, we will take the order ID. Sorry. So we will take the order ID, not customer ID. Now click OK. What it will reflect? 104 duplicate values found and removed. So do OK. So now out of 800, 700 approximately, like see 700 is my unique number, means there is no duplicate here. Now I want against this order ID, what is the total revenue? See, I want total revenue. Okay, again, I will use the SUMIF formula to get it my total value against this customer ID. So now what I will do, I will do sum if function. Okay, just press the type. So this will open the open bracket. Now I have to select the range. What range? So basically I have to select the range from where I have to take the sum. So I will have to go to the next sheet, means just I will do alt type and I will come to this sheet. Now, what is the range? Range is this. This order ID is my range. So from first to last, I can select. There is a one way. Another way is just, you don't have to do, just click on the A. It will select the entire column of A. Now put comma. What is saying? Post range, you need to give the criteria. Criteria means that against what you want to add or what you want to find in this range. So this is the range of what? Order ID. So I will go here and I will select this order ID simply. Okay. Now selected this order ID, again, comma. What I did, first I taken the range. Okay. Then criteria, then the sum range. Now the third option, what I have to give, the sum range, means what I want to add. So I will go to this sheet and again this is the revenue. Sorry, this is the revenue E column. So again, just select this entire column. Okay. Now close this bracket and enter. See what this formula did. This added the entire value of 413383 order ID. So there was a multiple 45. So like someone having 4600. So it added the entire value at a single. Now you know what you have to do. If you have to just apply the same formula, but you don't have to use again rewrite, you can do too many things. The one way, what I told you, just copy and you can just select and you can control V. Okay, so this will do. Another way is just put your cursor over here and just double click. See, so this will give you the addition of this entire thing. So see, it's how it is easy. So this is a large data on this with condition, like what condition we have given, that one criteria it was, and we did the addition of this. So like this, those who are like basic knowledge in Excels and using for data analysis, that is working on the large data, so they need to add this type of for revenue, for cost, for margin calculation, each and everything for data analysis purpose. So this is the one condition. But if we want to do something more, like if I want to add here this revenue with multiple of conditions, like I want this particular order ID where this customer ID also it should match, or there may be one more condition. So then how we can apply? Just now we did with one condition, but we can do with multiple 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 condition. And that is done through the sum ifs formula. But I hope that if I will go with this today only, I think it will be too lot to digest. So I will continue this video to the next part, where I will show you some more formula for the basic also, that those who are the beginner, they can also learn from the beginning, that on a small data how they can apply. And for the same related formula on the large data with uh, the function which can be applied with multiple multiple conditions on the large data, that how you can get the data and other things also. You can also just subscribe and like my this channel, and you can put your comments, put your questions. If you want to know more on any particular topic that you want to know on this topic, so I will make video on that particular. I will try to make you understand on that. So for this, thank you, and we'll meet you in the next video.